Hi all, in this video we are continuing with the table and table attributes. So there are mainly two table attributes or cell attributes, we can say. Cell means the each box in a table. Okay, so the first one is call span and the second one is row span. Two attributes, main attributes. Okay, so these two attributes are used for merging. Okay, so merging, you may have studied in cells. Merging means combining two cells together or three cells together or four or five cells together, like that, or merging a full row together, merging a full column together, like that you have to learn. Okay, so call span and row span. So first is call span. Call span is used to merge cells in a row. So cells in a row means, like for example, this is a table. Okay, so here in this table we have how many rows? We have total 1 2 3 rows we have. How many columns? 1 2 3 columns. So 3 rows and 3 columns we have. Okay, even though this is merged as one, this is one column and this is another column. Okay, so here you can see that in this row two cells are merged. First this cell here up to here, and this cell up to here. So two cells are merged. For that we are using call span. Okay, so if we give call span is equal to 2 in this TD, so TR means the first row starting, TD column A, so the first cell column A we gave. The second TD we gave call span is equal to 2. That means here two columns are merged together. Okay, two cells in a row or two columns in a row merged together as column B. We gave the name column B. Okay, so that's call span. Now we have row span. Okay, so here syntax TD call span is equal to 3. Here 3 represents number of column cells in a row to be merged. So number of column cells in a row to be merged, you have to give call span. Now row span. To merge cells in a column. Okay, to merge cells in a column. Column means top to down. So that's column. So for merging that, you have to use row span. So syntax is TD row span is equal to 3. Here 3 represents the number of rows cells in a column to be merged. We will see. So here we have 3 columns here. In the second column 2 cells are merged. So we'll just check out this one. We'll just do here also. Okay, so here table tag, cell spacing 0, everything we gave. Now first row we started TR, TD column A, we have column A here, and TD close. TD call span to column B. That means here two cells are merged. Two cells are merged in the first row. In the first row two cells are merged. Okay, so that is created. TR close. That means the first row created. Now coming to the second row, second TR, TD came, column C. So column C we created. Now close the TD, first cell created. Now second cell TD row span 2. That means this cell as well as the column. In this full column you merged 2 rows together, 2 cells in a column together. Okay, 2 cells in a column together. So here actually this one acts as a column for the third row. Okay, cell for the third row. So here this one merged together and we gave the name column D. So we gave D. Now TD column E. So the third one, column E, also we created in this row. Okay, now coming to the third row, already we have column D here because of the row span already one cell is created here. So just give the first and second one. No need to represent this because this one already created. So TD column F, TD column G. Okay, so it's a typo here. So yeah, column G. So this one created. Okay, So this way we will create table. So we will just check, we will just do the same example and I will show that. Okay, let's go for the example. So we will do the same example here. Remember this column. Okay, so we will do the example here. Let's go for the example. So already I created the basic tags. Okay, already had HTML tag and everything we gave, and I gave a font also, a size also I gave. Now we have to start with the table tag. Okay, so first of all, table, normal thing. Now if you need to give the table a width or height or anything, you can give, no issue for that. And cell spacing, cell padding, that also you can give. Border color, BG color, font color, these all things you can give here. Okay, so we will just create a border. Border is equal to 4. Okay, just created a border. Now here the first row we will start. TR, the first row we started, and here first TD, which means first cell in the row. TD column A, TD closed. Now when comes to the second one, TD, so second one, you know, second one means what? Column B is merged. Okay, using call span, 2 cells are merged. Okay, so how we understood that 2 is there? When we see the figure, you can see 1, 2. So we will understand 2 columns are merged here. Okay, so this is a part of column 1, this is another column, so 2 columns are merged here. Okay, that's how we will understand. By seeing the figure, we will understand that how many columns are merged. So call span equal to 2, that is column B. Column B, TD closed, TR closed. So the first TR finished, first row we created. Now the second row. So in the second row you can see first TD is column C, first cell is column C. Then this is spanned. Okay, this is spanned for 2, row span, merged for 2. How we will understood 2? Because this is 1, this is 2, so we can understand 2 cells are there. Okay, 2 rows are included, so that's why we give row span is equal to 2. We'll just give. So next TR started TD. TD is first is column C, TD closed, TD closed. Now next TD equal to row span. Row span is equal to 2. That means 2 rows we are spanning, 2 cells in 2 rows we are spanning, and we are giving a name, column D slash TD. That TD finished, and one more column is there, column E. So for that another TD column E, TD. Now that row is finished, TR close. Okay, so we will just check the answer here. Okay, I just saved it, run, launch in Chrome. We can see column A created, column B merged and created, column C is there, column D, column E. But you can see that in the column D is like that in the figure. It will only come after finishing the third row. Okay, it will only come like that after finishing the third row. So there is no mistake here. Already the merging happened here. Now we have to give the remaining one column F, and here G, and this one remains as column D together. Now we will give the next TR for the next one, TD column E, yeah, column E. column F, TD closed, column G, that is TD, column G, TD closed, TR closed. Okay, so that's TR closed. Yeah, so yeah, that one also created. Now we will just check the answer, save it, I'll just refresh. Yeah, now you can see it was merged already, but it will come into effect after we give the next one, next row, then only it will come into effect. Now we can make it like into center, center tag we can use, these all things we can, or align is there, align center, if you give it will come to center. Okay, so this all way you can do. So that's the col span and row span. Okay, now we will do another example which is a part from your question paper. The question is like this: you have to make a web page that contains this table. Okay, inside the table you have to add something that we will do. I will just show the table part. Okay, then we have to include pictures, images, many things are there that we will do some practice. So here the first of all we need to find out the total rows and columns. How will you find out? Count it. Rows 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 rows. Now columns 1 2 3. Okay, so these are the columns. So 6 rows 3 columns, 6 rows and 3 columns, that is a total table, means number of rows and columns. Okay, now you can see that here this is just name for representing. Okay, just when we means in the question paper they will ask insert an image in column G, like that. Okay, so it's a name for representation. Now you can see the row A is merged with 3 columns, 1 2 3. Okay, so here col span is equal to 3 and its total width and height. So this 800 into 100. 800 is the width, 100 is the height. Width means this length, and height means this length. Okay, so we can find out the total table width and height. How you will find out? It is very easy, just add it together. Okay, so if you take the width, you can see the whole table's width is 800 because it's a whole table. You can see from left to right its width is 800. Now height, how will you calculate height? Here height is 100, here height is 900, here height is 150. So 900 plus 100, 1000, 1000 plus 150, 1150. So that is the total height of the table. We just added this cell height or row height together. Here row height is 100 plus 900, the total height, plus 150. So 1150 is the total height of the table. Here same way 800. How did you get it? Because this A is merged for the whole table. That means the total width of the table is 800. Now we have to make this table. Okay, so we'll do that one by one. We'll just go for the notepad++. Yeah. Here we will just delete the current table. I am just deleting the contents of the table. Okay, contents of the table, just deleting, and here the table closing tag will be here. Okay, yeah. Now we will go to the question. The first column, we are going to create the first row, which is merged with 3 columns, 1 2 3. So col span is equal to 3. So the first TR, TD col span equal to 3, because 3 columns are merged there. A is the name, I am just giving A. close the TD, close the TR. Okay, that first one is created. Now we didn't give the width and height of table, so here we can give that. So already we calculated width is 800, height is 1150, that we can give. So total table, so it should be given in the table tag, total table. Okay, so width equal to 800, height equal to 1150. Yeah, so that we gave. Now for that cell A, the height and width we have to give in TD here. Okay, in the TR here we have to give here. So here in the TR we can give. So here the total width is 800 and height is 100 for the first row. Okay, so we will give that. In the TD we will give width equal to 800, height equal to 100. Yeah, now we will just check the result. Now we didn't, yeah, border we gave 4. Okay, border should be 1, they will tell that. Okay, border should be 1, symbol border is enough. Now we will just check. So it's only created like this because we didn't complete. Okay, we didn't complete the total one. Now only A, column A is there. Now we have to add the remaining. Okay, that is px means pixel. Okay, we can add that. If you, that is pixel, how many pixel the height and width, we'll just check. Yeah, same effect. Yeah, next is, so that first one closed. Now the next TR, we have to start the next TR. Okay, so in the next TR we'll just check the here. Yeah, next TR, one cell B is there, one cell C is there, then D is merged, that is row span. How many merged? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells merged. Okay, so that we will give. How to give? So TR open, TD, the first column, that is column B, its height and width 300 into 225. 300, 225. So width equal to 300, height equal to 225. Okay, the first one, that is column B, so we can give the name B, TD closed. Now next TD, that is C, 225 into 225. Okay, so 225 into 225. Same way, width equal to 225, height equal to 225. No need to give px also. Okay, px represent pixels, that is column C. Okay, C, that TD closed. Now next TD, here the total, that is merged. How many merged? Row span 1, 2, 3, 4. So row span is equal to 4. 275 into 900, that is the width and height. So first of all, row span equal to 4, width equal to 275, height equal to 900, closed. So that TD, that is column D, so we will give D and TD closed. Okay, We'll just check the result. Yeah, now look, A created, B, C, D created. Okay, after completing the whole thing, then only it will come as a one whole table. So A is completely created. Now after creating the third row, the B and C D, B, C, D will be okay. Okay, so in the third row, same height and width, EF, GH, IJ. Okay, so these many cells we have to create. D we don't have to look again because it is already created with merging. Okay, now EF, GH, IJ, up to this we have to create. So here we will take the notepad. Yeah, so now we need to close the TR here. This column is finished, so close the TR. Now again TR, TD. So here TD, nothing is yeah, height is that, so width is equal to 300 to 25, same height and width that they gave already. Width is equal to 300, height is equal to 225, that is D, E, column E, TD closed. Now again next TD, TD width is equal to 225. It's from the question paper, the width and height is from the question paper. Okay, 225, height is equal to 225, 25. So it is EF, the column is F according to the name given, slash TD. Yeah, now you can say, yeah, E we gave, F we gave. Now D we don't need to give because we already gave. Okay, now this column is, this row is finished. Now going to the third row. Okay, so now you can close the TR. Okay, now we will just check the result. Yeah, now created, you can see, right, it is created. B, C, D here, then EF, D, then again we need to create more. Okay, more what, GH, IJ with same height and width, GH, IJ with same height and width. This is for basic learning, we are typing all this, but in web expression form that we are learning further, you don't need to give, means type all this code, you just need to create it, it will come automatically. Okay, now for easy purpose I just do one thing, I just copy this tag 2 times. You know why? Because same tag we are using, only the EF, GH will change. Paste one more time, we'll paste, and we'll change the name EF, this is G, H, yeah, and the next row I, J. Okay, so 2 more rows I created because it is same, only the name is different, that's why I copy pasted it. We'll just check the result. You can see A, B, C, D, this is D, E, F, D, D is already there, G, H, I, J. Now one more, the last one, same like A, the last one, 800 into height is 150, not 100, height is 150. So we will just create that. Here TR, same way TR, no row span or anything, we already spanned everything. TD, width is equal to 800, height is equal to 150, then what, 3 columns we have to span, right? 3 column we have to span. Look, 1 2 3. So span, call span is there. So here we can give call span equal to 3. Yeah, now content is k is the content, td close, tr close. We'll just check the result. Just check the result. Column A, B, C, and this is D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So all the whole table we created according to the same height and width given in the question paper. Okay, I hope you understood. It's very easy. Okay, call span and row span is very easy, and height and width, that one we already did earlier, but for each cell also we can give height and width. Okay, so this is how you can create complex tables with the help of call span and row span, as well as width and height also we can create. Now you can, instead of B, C, D, A, B, these all things, we can give another content. Whatever we type, it will come here. Images, if we add, it will come here. Like that, it will go. Your question paper is like that. Okay, so the first thing is creating tables. Now you understood how to create a table. Thank you.